Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the best way to make money in 2019 and also beyond. So if you're watching this in 2020 or 2023 or something like that, keep on watching because this is probably still the best way to make some money. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So, if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and the best way to make money in 2019 and beyond. So the way I want to talk to you about is affiliate marketing. And the reason I believe this is the best way to make money is because it's mostly passive income. There's not much that you need to do. If you create like an Amazon business, you have to be sure that you always have some inventory, making some ads. If you're doing like a Shopify store, you have to deal with customer service and all that stuff. But with affiliate marketing, there's nothing of that sort. All you have to do is just get people to buy some certain product. And that's a product that you actually believe in as well. It's not something that you just have to sell that you absolutely don't believe in, which, mostly if you're doing a Shopify store, that's the case. If you're doing Amazon FBA, it's probably the same as well. But if you do the affiliate marketing and you do it properly, then you don't have to sell something that's completely out of place. So it's something that you believe in and you don't have to deal with customer service, refunds and all that stuff. All you do is you send people and watch the money come in. Now it's not as simple as that because there are a few things that you have to go into it, but I'm going to explain them right now. So what you want to do at first is you want to start to create an audience, because if you don't create an audience, then there's no way that you're going to make money. But you can create an audience in anything that you actually enjoy. It doesn't matter if it's, sports, art, business, something that you're interested in, that you like maybe it's something that you're an expert at, but if you're not an expert, it doesn't matter. You're going to learn along the way. So all you have to do is just start something that you're interested in. Don't go for something that's just going to make you money because you'll give up, but do something that you're absolutely interested in. So the very first thing that you have to do is, create an audience. So choose one platform, just a single platform. So that can be YouTube. In my opinion, this is the best one to start because, people actually have a better connection with you, you talk to those people and help them out. So, YouTube is a great one. Instagram works as well, but it's not that passive because people won't find your post 3 months from now. Or maybe it's, Facebook, or, if you do blogging, that's another great one because that can be passive income as well. So the two best passive income ones are YouTube or blogging. So if you choose one of them, and don't choose two, don't choose three, just only have one, because otherwise you're going to get spread way too thin and it's not going to work out for you. So be sure to only choose one and then focus on it and put as much effort as possible. For instance, YouTube, I do this every single day. You might not have the time to do this. Maybe you want to do that every other day, or maybe it's twice a week. But you do want to do that as often as possible, but without it's better to post twice a week than to post every day for a week and then don't post for 3 weeks and start again. So you really want to be consistent with that. Once you start to build your audience, and I'm saying once you start, but it's even as soon as you start, you want to promote some offers. So how do you promote some offers? Well, one of the ways is to actually like post a link in the description if you have something like that's quite cheap, that's a one-time sale. You post that in the description and people will mostly like buy it. But that's not the best way to make money, because the best way to actually make some money is to have either recurring offers or to have like high ticket, like $500 up. So if you have, you know, all the, like one of these two, this is the way that you're going to actually be able to make a living off it. So what I do, for instance, is do recurring offers. I promote Builderall. So Builderall is like the best way. You can join my team in the description. There's a link to that, and I help you do that, like to actually create an audience and make money, because they're going to pay you every single month. Like you get $50 like right from the start as soon as you make some sales, and then you get paid 30%. But if people make a sale from you and they make a sale, then you get 30% from them as well. So that's really passive income now. There's very few products that are like that, but if you're into online marketing, then that's a great way to do it. So that's something that you have to do, but you don't want to post that in the description. What you want to do instead is post a link to your sales funnel in the description. So in the description, like they click on that, they get to a landing page where they have to enter the name, they have to enter the email. Once they've done that, then they get sent to a sales page, and then like you promote your actual product, say what's good about it, why it's awesome and why they need to buy it. And then some people will buy it, but most people won't. But what you'll be able to do is send them some emails. So that's, you know, all of this is included in Builderall. That's something that they offer that you can do. That's once you get that, you get the whole package with everything in it. So you're going to start sending them some automatic emails. You write the emails once, you write a sequence, maybe it goes on for 7 days, and you just like keep providing them some value, but also promoting your products. And that's why people will buy, because they get exposed to it more than one time. They get exposed to it over and over and over again. And that's how they made some sales. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.